Hello friends, I'm Sandesh here again, and today I'm going to show some cool stuffs that you can do with high voltage discharge. And please don't try this at home because you may get injured or may get killed, and I will not be liable for that. So be careful please. This is my flyback driver that I made in my previous video, and I'm going to use this now. So first let me test this driver will work or not. So I'm going to power off the system. I think it's working fine. Now let's test the paper in between them. That means we can make fire with paper in between the endpoints. Now let's test with these small wires, these fine wires, what will happen to them. Almost all small wires got burnt out. Now let's test with this tube. This is CFL tube. It will glow automatically with the one wire only. The mercury inside the tube gets excited with these 2 points, the electric field set up by these 2 points, and they emit the UV light, which in turn gives visible light when they interact with this fluorescent screen, and they glow and give white light. Now let's try with this CFL. I fitted them with 2 screws. When you touch this, it will automatically glow. Now let's test what would happen on the cemented floor due to high voltage. You can write a name in the cemented floor. Okay, I made these structures with pins, and let's test with this. Okay, let's test with these pins. Now let's try with these pins. Okay, these are the few things that you can do with high voltage, and thanks for watching.